Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily check all of your contacts on TikTok application. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all you'll have to head over the TikTok app,
मेरा ना
and once you're on this page, I'm on my iPhone, you can follow the exact same steps on your Android. Then you'll have to tap on your profile on the bottom right, and then tap on three lines on the top right to head over the menu, and then tap on settings and privacy on the bottom. Now it will take you to this page, it will take you to your settings. Now all you'll have to do is to tap on privacy on the second option, and then tap on sync contacts and Facebook friends, tap on it, and on the top right corner you'll find an option of sync contacts. All you'll have to do is to make sure that this option is toggled on, and once you will toggle it on, it will ask you to open your settings, and you'll have to allow access to TikTok of
ये
your contacts, and then go back to TikTok, and then go through the same steps, open up the menu, go to settings and privacy, and then go to privacy, and then tap on sync contacts and Facebook friends. And now all of your contacts are synced on TikTok. And basically if you come back to your profile, you'll be able to find a plus icon next to share profile. Tap on it and you'll be able to find all of your contacts right here that are using TikTok, that are on TikTok. So if you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button, and if you have any questions,